I took it to town.
Hey Panini, don't you be a meanie.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy T, and I'm back in your life with another YouTube video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are not subscribed, welcome back to my channel. If you are subscribed, and if you're not, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you can watch my videos as soon as I post them rather than later on. So today I'm going to be doing like a wash day. I'm doing a review on this brand called Formulate. I found them on Instagram and they sent me shampoo as well as the conditioner, and I was able to customize this product myself, and that is that sheet that you guys just seen. I was able to choose the smell as well as like my hair type and the type of damage if my hair was colored. So it felt really good to choose what was actually going into my hair or having to say so as far as the products that were used or how they were put together. I chose like a tidal water smell, and it smelled really good. So yeah, you guys see me going in with the shampoo first, really hydrating, and that's why you guys can see my curls right now. And I'm just going to use my shampoo brush, and I got this for like maybe $1 at the hair store, or probably less than that. It was really cheap. And I always use this when I wash my hair. So yeah, you can use it to detangle your hair, as you can see, because this product has so much slip in it. And this is literally just the shampoo. I haven't used the conditioner yet. So as you can see, I can detangle my hair with the shampoo in. So yeah, I'm just going to shampoo the back, and because it wasn't like drying or anything, it didn't feel drying to me, I did apply it to the ends where I experienced damage, because I didn't put damage, just to apply the shampoo to my roots. So now I'm just going to wash that shampoo out, and then I'm going to put in the conditioner after I've washed all that shampoo out of my hair. So this is after I wash my hair out. As you can see, it looks really moisturized. And now I'm going to go in with the conditioner. This is the step 2. So yeah, I'm just going to apply the conditioner from root to tip, focusing more on the ends where the damage is at. And then I'm going to make my way to the roots. And I didn't let it sit on my hair for too long, maybe like 5 minutes if that. But as you can see, it really conditioned my hair and made it really soft. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you. Make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel before anything. I think I need to add like a couple of subscribe pop-ups, but yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and peace and love.